Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic trade-in that just landed on our lot. It's a 2018 F-150 XLT. Let's go take a look. Up at the front here, you will notice it does have very nice and bright fog lights as well as headlights. Built into the front grille here, it does have a nice light bar as well. Under the hood, it does have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. Along the side of the vehicle here, you will notice it does have 20-inch fuel rims as well as cab length running boards. At the back of the truck here, you will notice it does have your trailer hitch as well as 4 and 7 pin trailer plugs. This one does come with a built-in backup camera into the tailgate, and if we pop the tailgate here, you will notice it does come with a spray-in bed liner as well as this nice little Ford function where if you pull this out, prop this down, pull this out as well, and pop this up, you got a very nice step with a handle to get into the back. In the driver's seat here, you will notice it has your cruise controls on the left side of the steering wheel and your phone and volume controls on the right. This one does come equipped with a touchscreen that does come with navigation as well as heated front cloth seats here that do have a nice tire track built into them, as well as a whole bunch of storage options here, like lots of storage in the glove box as well as for your sunglasses up top and in the center console. And let's go take a look at the back seat here. You will notice it has a ton of leg room for all the big passengers that you can fit in the back seat here, as well as 2 USBs, a 110 volt plug-in, as a 12 volt plug as well. These seats do fold up in the back here for tons of extra storage needs. If you guys are interested in pictures and pricing of this beautiful truck, feel free to click the link in the description or give us a call at 780-942-3629.